Dude, what's up, everybody? Dan Greer, Eclipse DOT, going through funky regulations in FMCSA. First one was no fuzzy dice. You guys remember that one? Second one is no pet monkeys. Wait, what? No pet monkeys in my truck? Are you serious? Yes. FMCSA regulation 392.60 prohibits carrying of animals that could interfere with the driver's operation of the vehicle. And monkeys is part of what? Who has a pet monkey they take with them? Like, for reals, right? Like, that's craziness. When you get into the experts on it, excerpts of it, it talks about the guidance. It's like no pet monkeys. It's actually quite comical. So no pet monkeys in your truck. If you're a truck driver, if you're driving any kind of commercial vehicle, you got that Prius and you're hauling hazardous materials across state lines, you leave your pet monkey at home. Okay? No pet monkeys in your trucks or cars or whatever, as long as you're a commercial vehicle. All right. Chat with you guys later.